when you had another one, you drag it down and then you move it. You can move it over. All right. With yours, you can actually. Since I'm using this. I'm using my Mac. It's a little bit different. You can actually drag it all the way to the corner, and it'll make that shadow that then you can drop it, and it'll make it into a half. So I'm going to change this so it's a half and a half. Okay. And my Google search is going to be on this side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Google search and I'm going to type in sports acronyms. Okay. It might even just come up. Yep, spelled it wrong. Sports acronyms. All right. So sports acronyms. Now I'm going to look in the search to see if I can find some sports acronyms to help me out. Oh, look at this. I got a whole bunch of them. Okay. So I'm going to find those, and I'm going to do like American Football Conference we already did. So I'm going to type those down here on the bottom.
You have to actually make them colors.
Can you wait? I'm going to give you all the instructions. I'm going through the whole thing. So, the American Football Conference, ESPN, and American Basketball Association. All right. I found those. Now, here's your stipulation that you must do. You're going to make what's called bullet numbers for the acronyms. What I mean by bullet numbers or a number list. I already have it for you, but I want to show you where they're at. If you click, I have to click more, but they might be already set for you. All right? But right here is numbers. So if you highlight these, you'll notice my numbers disappeared. If I click on it again, my numbers will show up. All right? And again, if I want bullets, the bullets are on this side. All right? So I'm going to keep numbers. So they must be numbered, okay? So, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make them all first. I'm going to get all 15 of them done. And then it tells you must have 18 characters per inch, or 18 font size must be 18, Times New Roman, which is up here. Each acronym needs to be in alphabetical order and this color order. So you would start with red, then orange, then lime green, then light blue, then blue, dark blue, then purple, then pink. After you're done with the first 7, you have 8 more to go. Start back up with red, orange, go all the way down. Your last one should be red if you did it right, okay? Now, they also need to be bold-faced, they also need to be italics, and they also need to be underlined, okay? When finished, you're going to submit the document to Google Classroom. Now, to make it bold-faced, underline, and all that, what I would do, the first thing I would do is I would make your answers first. Get all 15 in order first. So, for example, you look at this one. Are they in order? Rylan, they in order?
No.
No. Where should ABA be? It should be up one more, right? So I can highlight it, and I can drag it up here. And then I'm going to start with ABA and hit the, all right? Now they're in order.
I thought it should be the first one.
All right? Now, the other thing, oh yeah, it should be the first one. Thank you. Now they're in order. Thank you. Rylan caught that. You guys didn't catch that the first time. All right, now they're in order. American Basketball Association is to be first. So what color should it be? Red, right? So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to hit the text and hit red. I'm also going to make it underline. I'm also going to italics it, and I'm also going to boldface, because that's what's required. Okay? Then you're going to do the next one is what color? Orange. So now I'm going to go through here, boldface, underline, and make it orange. Now, do not press highlights, because that will not work. If I hit a highlight and I hit green, look what happens. It changes the color, and that's not what I want. I want text only. Highlight should be none. And so you're going to go into text only in color, okay? That is how you do your assignment. When you're done, you will then submit it, and by submitting it, Remember, you go to your Google Classroom, you go back to that same assignment. Since this is 4th period, I'll go there. And then Google Docs, I open it and I hit turn in. That's how you turn it in. And then I will give you your grade.